Hi everyone, so I'm back to share a video with you. This is an unboxing for Your Creative Studio, and this is for, I think it's the month of March. So I received it in the week, or last weekend I think it was. There's so much to do, so I'm just covering my address up here. So it's like Your Creative Studio, and the inside of the box there we've got a little thank you card. I'll put all the links below. So I do think this is for the month of March. And so I'm going to take that out and then get the box out the way. So this is the second unboxing that I've done. This one is going to be the unboxing, and then there will be a part 2 when I'm actually using some of the products that are in here, because I don't have a lot of memory to do it all and edit it and everything. Can't wait to get a new phone eventually. So that's a lovely little thank you card. Then look at this lovely like paper. It's not tissue paper, but it's a really nice paper. Let's see if we can get this up without tearing it, because I do like to save it. I think I've still got the paper from the last one. Oh, I've ripped it a little bit, but there we go. I'll probably just end up ripping that as well. So we'll just unfold all that. Oh, what's this? What is this? Right, so I'm going to take things out and set them to the side. Ooh, exciting. Ooh. Right, okay. Just gave myself a little excitement then. So we'll keep that. Right. And I've got to look at this first because I'm just nosy. Very, very nosy, and can't wait to open that last. So I've got a band on there. And I'm just going to snip along there with my knife. I wonder what this is. I wonder. Oh, it's I don't know if it's calligraphy pen or dip pen or whatever you call it. Oh my gosh, that feels really good, and it's glass. Oh, I don't have any ink. I have to get some ink. Right, that's it. As soon as this video is finished, I'm going to go onto Amazon and get some ink. I have ink that you refill printer cartridges with. Might even try that. I don't know what I could try. I could try watered down paints. Yeah, oh, that's really lovely, and it feels amazing, and I love the colour. Look at that. I don't even know if my camera's straight. It's not. Silly me. So that's it there. How cool is that? That would be exciting to use. So better keep that in there, because if I leave that line out, I drop it and break it. So we'll keep that safe. Right, what is this? This is a cling stamp. Oh, it's a woman. Trust me, not to have my glasses on. Looks like she's writing, and she's got some books. So that's lovely. And here we have masking tape, like washi tape, I would imagine. I love how everything's all packaged up so neatly. Oh, it's like vintagey script. Let's see if I can have a little peek. Thank goodness I got some nails. Oh, that's nice. Obviously I'm not going to tear that off. Don't know what that is. Oops, it always curled up on me. Oh, that's pretty. Is that a flower? Oh, that'll be good. That's just my colour. I've got loads of washi, and I always forget, because it's behind me, I forget that it's there. I forget to use it. So that's lovely. And another cling stamp. Oh, it shows you on there what it is. Silly me. Silly me. Okay. And So that's like a little paper stand and an inkwell with a quill in there. Is that what they call it? A quill? Was that what that thing's called? A quill? How cool was that? So that is that. Then, oh, there's another envelope there. That is a cling stamp, and that looks like a postage stamp. Oh, and a little, oh, like a little triangle stamp. And that, hope you can see that. But like in the next video, I'm going to put these in a playlist actually. And then what are these? Note bar stickers. Oh, they're cool. They'll be good for, I'm planning on doing a planner. They'll be good for that. Oh wow, yeah, there's and stickers, and there's different ones. Oh, they're cool. Very vintage indeed. Right up my street. And there's quite a lot of them, 50 pieces. That's cool. And then we have, what does it say? Envelopes, and my fingers don't want to work. Envelopes, paper ephemera, it says. Oh, that's lovely. The packaging is lovely. Ooh. So you get 2 different types of envelopes. Oh, and they're really good quality, and they're decorated inside. Oh, they're pretty. And you get the matching paper to go with. How cool was that? So yeah, that's to go with that one, and that is to go with that one. How cool. Oh, I like that. Very, very nice. And like I said, the packaging backing there is lovely. Oh, we got another set, and they're different. How cool is that? And then that's got a lovely background on it. It's like a kid, isn't it? When you get them toys, they want to play with a box. As journalers and crafty people, we like to play with packaging. They're cool. And that is the envelopes. Very good quality envelopes. I like them. And I like the little labels on the back as well. That's cute. So, how many pieces do you get in that? I don't know actually. It doesn't say. Well, is it 4 of each envelope? 3 of each envelope? Like them. And then what else do we, what do we have here? Oh, they're stickers. They're cool, and they're clear. So it's little, like, carrier pigeon with a letter. And they come in different sizes. That's cool. Then here we have, I don't know if they're stickers or, oh. Are they stickers? I think they are stickers. Yep, they are stickers. Yep. Oh, they're cool. Oh, so you've got that one. They're all different. Oh, and it's like little strips, kind of like washi. And some more. They're all postal themed. And some more little ones. Is there another pack there? Another? Nope, that's that. So they're cool. Very, very cool. Oh, that stickers came up in there. Didn't put that back properly, did I? Oh, I'm going to leave that because it's oh, what's this? Oh, I nearly missed that. Oh, it's a tiny little like envelope with a heart, and it's a charm. That's sweet. And then is this tissue paper? So yeah, I will come back with a part 2 when I'm going to use this. So like I said, are they all the same? Yeah, they are. I like that, it feels nice. It's tissue paper. Like, you'll see me trying to get this back in. This will be a giggle. It'll probably all stick to everything. Okay. So yeah, I'm going to put the other videos. Oh, see, oh, I've got it stuck. I'll do that in a minute off camera. So that's all the lovely goodies that come in that box. I'll put a link to the website below of that washi, and I will do another video. Oh, don't forget that. I need to get some ink for that. I'll do a video of using some of the pieces, and when I use it, I will tell you where it came from. Okay. So any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.